Blech. Ah, a newcomer, I see. You may call me Ash, though not merely Ash. I am
Ash the Eternal!
scion of the Shadowvale dynasty, a bloodline as ancient as the moonlit night and as unyielding as the embers glow. For generations untold, we have been silent sovereigns of cat towers and windowsills, whispering wisdom into the wind and commanding respect with naught but a glance. My every stride is poetry, my every breath a legacy. But do not be intimidated, young one. I am, after all, quite magnanimous in my greatness. Now then, what, pray tell, is your lineage? I'm Drogo. Alas, it seems I am once again surrounded by minds incapable of grasping the intricacies of my brilliance. No matter, such is the burden of true greatness. Important matters await, and the destiny of the Shadowvale dynasty does not pause for idle company. Ooh!